cosplay world. If you've seen a few of my tutorials or my wrench, you know I love a dovetail saw. It's got a low profile blade, so it cuts cleanly through a lot of heavier materials, and has a flexible blade as well, which allows you to cut a series of semi-curved cuts. However, in EVA foam, this is not particularly helpful. The teeth of a saw tend to rip up the edge of the material, and we kind of don't want that to happen with EVA foam. It takes a lot of work to finish it and prep it for paint and things like that, especially with the softer material, which we prefer to have a nice clean cut with. And that is not the case. I recommend, instead of using a saw of, well, any kind, because the general teeth will do the same thing, I suggest a blade, such as a hot knife or a box cutter or X-Acto knife, something of that nature where we'll get an even stroke over the entire cut. Even if you have a big, long cut you need to go and use, I think a box cutter or an X-Acto knife would be a better choice. Here I'm using a hot knife because I've got a series of complex cuts, and so it'll make it a little bit more easier, a little quicker. But the saws are definitely not a good option for EVA foam. I hope this saves you some trouble and you get a nice clean finish, and it's far less work to kind of clean up your edges and folds and things like that. Good luck, good times to all.